We are going to generate documentation of the entire program using the AI assistants. First, we click on the icon, which opens up the ChatGPT. Here we can either type to please document this module, or we can go to a pre-programmed AI command prompt we have generated for you. Document a program, create a detailed document outlining the program. This will now ask the AI to document every single section of the program. And here you can see the documentation begins going through every single section, explaining exactly what each section and each line or lines perform and do. And at the end, it gives you the summary. So now you can take this whole document, save it as a Word document or PDF to your system.